never had this one before because it looks disgusting. Yum. One done. Cream of mushroom soup. We have 2 cans of this. It's good with lentil soup, right? Can number 2. The cream of mushroom. Alright, so we're on to mustard. Straight yellow. This is so disgusting. We haven't even added the pickle relish. Like a mayonnaise. Now, when he said, do you want to do a slime challenge? Would you be willing to do a slime challenge? I said, sure. Thinking it was going to be like back in the day, cover me in green goo. And then I get this recipe. And it's like, are you serious? Really serious? Okay. I can give her a try. Mayonnaise. This is disgusting. Three things I do not eat. I just poured into this batter. I didn't think the pot was honestly going to be big enough, and I'm going to be close by the time we add the refried beans. Yum! Refried beans. Man, he said it was going to be easy to get out of the can. Oh, she slides right out of there. Nope. Oh my god. Did I haven't even added the relish? That is so gross. I'm gonna take a break for a minute. Alright, so we have this beautiful creation right here. Sweet relish. Looks so disgusting. We're gonna take a spoon. This is a hard one to mix. I originally asked for a bucket to make this in. Dave gave me a pot, and I kind of wish I had the bucket. Because this is going to be a lot. This looks disgusting. Look at that yellow mustard. The refried beans definitely mixed better than I thought they were going to. I can still feel little chunks and big chunks. Oh my gosh. So I think when I get in the shower, you'll just hit me with those 2 big chunks of refried beans. Who wants a shower in that? That shit is so thick. Ugh. I'm gonna take a break for a minute. That is disgusting. And I agreed to get covered in it. Here's to not throwing up when he pours it on. Here we go. Slime time.
Pour it above you.
Okay.
It's up to you.
I figured.
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
You should stand up.
I've never been slimed before.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
I feel like I should come in.
Brace for it. Here we go. That is really hot. I have been slimed with some of the most disgusting things. I've been slimed.